Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm going to be sharing with you a nice and delicious recipe that is known to reduce the risk of certain cancer. It's going to help with cell growth and repair and also protect your DNA from damage. So thank you so much as you watch this video to the end. So top on the list is our major ingredient, cherry tomatoes. You can go for any tomatoes of your choice. There are a lot of varieties out there. So tomatoes are rich in a potent antioxidant called lycopene, which gives the red color to tomatoes and watermelon. So researchers says that lycopene has the tendency to reduce certain cancers like prostate cancer, skin cancer, and lungs cancer. So it is believed and expected that when you're 45 years as a man, you need to go for your prostate cancer screening. And researchers says that men who consume a lot of tomatoes had the lower risk of prostate cancer. So make this juice for your husband, make this juice for your friend, for your brother, all the men that you have in your life. This juice is good. So we are also going to be incorporating other fruit like strawberries, apples, and mangoes, in as much as they are also high in nutrients, especially vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin E. So we're going to be using this, tomatoes for some people doesn't really taste that nice. So we're going to be using this, to back up or cover up the taste of the tomatoes. So we need some flavorable fruit, nice and sweet flavorable fruit, to back up the taste of the tomatoes. But they are equally rich in vitamins and nutrients that are known to improve immunity, to help with cell growth and repair. They are rich in polyphenols, antioxidants. They are excellent source of vitamin A, C, and K, potassium, and beta carotene that is known to fight disease-causing free radicals in your body, boost your immune system, renew your cell. When once your cell is renewed and repaired, that's how you stay younger, that's how you look good, that's how your skin looks fresh. So these fruits are not just I'm not just using it for using sake. They actually contains more polyphenols, antioxidants. They are rich in nutrients that will help you renew your cell, that will help you repair your cell. When it comes to protecting yourself against cancer, tomatoes should be top of your list of food that you should consume every day. And watermelon, I told you these are the two major ingredients we're going to be using for this recipe. Tomatoes and watermelon, they all contains lycopene, which is a potent antioxidant that gives it its red color and is rich in disease-fighting components. It promotes heart health. Lycopene in tomatoes also supports bone health as it improves bone density, especially for older women that has bone disease like osteoarthritis, osteoporosis. This juice is so good. And it also prevents cancer-inducing mutations in the cell. And this is the good news. Tomatoes has no long-term side effect. In as much as these fruits and veggies are good for your health, there are some of them that when you consume it for a longer period of time, it tends to give you some side effects. but not for tomatoes. It has no long-term side effects. You can get it, you can take it for as long as you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything together. Mind you, if you notice, I didn't add not even a single drop of water in this recipe because the watermelon and the tomatoes, they actually contains greater amount of water. So I had to blend first because my blender is not that big enough. I had to create space, for the apple, and then I'm finally adding the apple, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything together to have my nice and delicious cell supporting, cancer fighting, immune boosting drink. Yeah, it's so good, it's so healthy, and it's just like medicine. So you need to make food your medicine in order to stay healthy, in order to stay strong. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until I see you next time, please stay safe and healthy, and always remember, when you stay healthy, you feel healthy. Thank you so much.